Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make an eggless salad. If you're enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start with soaked nuts. They should soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. I will use almonds. Now we add some soaked sunflower seeds. They should also soak for at least 7-8 hours. We can ground them to make some space for the rest of the ingredients. We add an onion. Now some natural apple vinegar and some water from fermented cucumbers. Links to the videos showing how to make them are of course in the description below. Now it's time for spices. Firstly, some non-iodized salt. To give them even more egg-like taste, we can use black salt. We add yeast flakes, some garlic, and turmeric to give it yellow color. We mix everything together and it's done! The salad we should keep in the fridge. Bon appetit!